Are you tired of your radar detector running out of juice when you need it the most? Say goodbye to that problem with the Whistler Radar Detector Car DC adapter. This high-quality car power charger is designed specifically for Whistler radar detectors, including the 1710, 1730, 1732, 1733, 1740, 1743, 1660 series, and 1670. But that's not all. It's also compatible with the 1430, 1450, 1455, XDR 695, 1460, 1465, 1470, XDR 520, XDR 550, XDR 1788, XDR 543, XDR 555, and XDR 558 models, with its DC input range of 12-24V. This adapter ensures rapid charging wherever you go. It features built-in dynamic IC, charger IC, and power fuse for efficient and safe charging, protecting your device from overcharging and overcurrent. Plus, it's equipped with safety features like overcurrent protection, total power protection, overvoltage protection, and short-circuit protection, giving you peace of mind while on the road. Manufactured with the highest quality materials and certified by FCC, C, and RoHS, this adapter guarantees reliability and durability. Whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip, you can trust the Whistler Radar Detector Car DC adapter to keep your radar detector powered up and ready to go. Don't let a dead battery ruin your driving experience. Upgrade to the Whistler Radar Detector Car DC adapter today and enjoy uninterrupted protection on the road. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.